Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by selecting where the photo will live and why that matters. Public hosting yields a stable URL, while private storage blocks access. Once decided, optimize the image for web, resize, compress, and add alt text so browsers and search tools understand it. Now upload the file to your chosen service, and make sure you change sharing or permission settings to public or link accessible. After upload completes, locate the file and prepare to copy its direct image URL so you can create the actual link. Once you have the direct URL, you create a link appropriate for where you'll use it. For websites, use HTML, a href wrapping an im tag so clicking opens the photo. For docs or forums, markdown like alt URL works. If you need analytics, append UTM parameters or use a URL shortener for cleaner sharing. Make sure to test the link in the target environment because some platforms rewrite or block direct image links. Adjust accordingly to ensure predictable behavior. Finish by pasting or embedding the link where you need it and testing across devices. You want the image to load, click properly, and scale on mobile. If it's slow, consider a CDN or smaller file. If clicking should open a larger view, ensure the anchor targets the full-size URL. And if something breaks, here's the key troubleshooting tip. Check permissions first. If the photo shows for you but not others, it's almost always a sharing or CORS issue. Fix privacy or host settings and retest.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.